Hello, folks. I was just talking about being stubborn. Um, I think people have to be very, very stubborn, especially when it comes to things that they really, really want. Like, that's how the world is gonna know, okay, this person is very stubborn about this, so they really, really want it. The world will know, okay, they want it, they really want it, how much you want it. The world will know how much you want it. And if you're gonna be stubborn and be persistent in being stubborn, and be very resilient in being stubborn, and be like, you can't break me, you can't like convince me to not be stubborn, I'll be stubborn, right? And that will actually help the world know, okay, this person is not going to change their mind, they're not going to change their goal, not very easily. They're going to understand that you really, really want this. It's important to show the world that you really want something, how much you want something, what lengths you will go for it, how far you will go for it, and how much time you'll spend for it, right? And we can actually learn a lot from kids when it comes to being stubborn. Generally, people, refer to kids when it comes to being stubborn, but you can refer to any person, like even a grown, an adult, a very good, even a very old person and whatnot. Anyone can be stubborn, right? But usually kids are very, very stubborn. You can see some of the kids being very stubborn, saying they want, say, junk food, say they want sugar food, they want chocolates, they want candies and whatnot. Even just now I just noticed one kid crying out loud, asking for something from some store. I think of course it's hard for the parent or the parents to take care of the kid, deal with the situation and try to calm the kid, convince the kid and all that when they are throwing, say, tantrums and all. But then the best thing is you can actually learn to be stubborn from them, and they're so stubborn and persistent, they get what they want, right? Probably the parent can try to say things like, okay, what do you really want? Try to understand. Maybe the kid just wants food, really tasty food that can be achieved by just like, say they want sweet food. Probably you can create some, say, fancy looking fruits, like as in like cut them, make them look fancy, cut fruits and like give it to them. Some really, really sweet fruits, whatever, like I think bananas are very sweet, watermelons are very sweet. So if they really want sweet food, you can actually try to compromise a bit, come to a common ground and all. But then the child would have achieved what they wanted to a good extent. They wanted food, they wanted, say, sweet food to feel good or probably something like that, or they were just hungry and they love sweet stuff, depending on how old the child is. If the child is, say, like my niece, who's just 3 years old, she's going to be 4. The child is going to be very stubborn. I in fact tell my niece to actually cry and be stubborn. I tell her, don't fear anyone and don't don't settle very easily. Instead, cry for whatever you want, right? And it's hard for me, of course. Let's say she asks for chocolates and I'm like, I say no, and then she agrees. But then if she really, really wants it, she'll probably just be stubborn and just go ahead and be like, no, I want it, I'll cry for it and whatnot, right? So then you understand, okay, she really wants it, now how do you compromise and all that. But then if she's like, okay, I can do with something else, say buy some sweet instead of a chocolate, say some Indian dessert and whatnot, or buy something else, say stationery, she loves stationery. If she's fine with it, you understand that she doesn't want it so much, which is actually a great thing for me because I don't want to feed her bad stuff. But then what does this help with? Like even teaching kids to be stubborn or asking people to be stubborn, like maybe in some ways being stubborn can be bad. You might have to compromise and all, but in many ways being stubborn is great, it's good. Let's say you have a goal, you want to be stubborn. There's this Tamil movie called Kana. where there's this young girl from her village. She goes to school, she learns to play cricket. She's the only girl playing cricket with the guys, right? And later she grows up, she wants to play for the Indian cricket team, and her mother and father, they oppose it, right? Father is a great fan of cricket. I think father doesn't oppose, father actually supports it, but he wonders if she should join the cricket team though. He supports, say, her playing cricket and all, but then mother is like opposing her. Later the mother is actually put in a situation where all the friends of the mother are actually previously who used to be scared of her, the girl's mother, are now actually gossiping about her and saying things like, you know, how she doesn't allow her kid, and they're like, she's very strict, great stuff, whatever. And then the mother realizes, wait, it's actually a good thing to go and play for the Indian cricket team. And then she scolds her kid, the girl, saying, dude, like, you have to be very stubborn, you have to cry, you have to be very, very stubborn and get what you want. You don't have to give up like this, because the girl actually gives up. And then the mother goes and tells her, don't come back home if you don't get into the Indian cricket team. Just be very, very stubborn if you want something really, really bad. That's how the world will know what you want. It's a very, very inspirational moment in that movie, and very inspiring, motivational moment of the movie. And I'm like, because the whole time the mother is actually opposing the girl to not play cricket or not join the cricket team and all that, Indian cricket team. And then now she is like, dude, why did you give up? You have to be more stubborn, you have to be more resilient, more persistent, so that the world knows what you really want and how much you want it, right? So, and what lengths you will go for it, how far will you go for it, how much time will you spend on it, right? So we have to actually learn from kids and be persistent and stubborn, resilient, and go to great lengths, go far, spend a lot of time in trying to achieve our goals and not give up at all. And like, we can totally learn this from kids. So say small kids, teens, anyone, right? So I think we should be really, really stubborn, especially in stuff we really want. We should be very stubborn and get what we want. So yep, that's all I wanted to talk about in this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.